Hello, my name is Ryan, and I'm working on a game that is a combination of the procedural generation of something like Diablo with the monster collection of something like Pokemon. And so this video is going to be hopefully a quick little tutorial to hopefully encourage playtesting and feedback. I'm just trying to get feedback to decide if this is something I want to keep spending time on. So we'll just get right into it. This is kind of standard WASD to move around. You have an inventory button up here. You can click on it. This is your team. Right now I only have one monster, and this is like your items, that sort of thing. So we have 3 like Pokeballs. Then we have these scrolls. They give monsters experience, so we can just click on it, and then we give the scroll here, and we see now we're level 2. Pretty normal standard, monster turn-based battle stuff. There's other items you can pick up. We can see some other monsters around here, so let's go get into battle here. And so we have, we can attack like a normal turn-based system here. Health bar, turn meter, that sort of stuff. There's also a button down here to, catch monsters, and so there you go, catch success. So now we have this guy in our team. Let's see what else we can find here. There's other, there's other items to pick up here. This is another ability. So if we click on, or if we go walk over to it, we can pick it up, and now it's in our inventory, and we can just drag it and put it on any monster we want. And so this monster is more of a tanky type guy, so this is like a taunt ability. Yeah, he gains armor and some reduction in speed. This ability. So we can get another battle here, and there's another kind of unique feature, which is this energy meter down here. And so that's shared between all your monsters. There's one energy meter, and abilities will either give you energy or cost you energy. You can't use abilities that cost energy if you don't have the energy, obviously. And so this ability gives us 2 energy, so we can use it, and then we get 2 more energy. Same with these. If we keep using it, so we can see we only have 16 energy, and this costs 20, so we can't use that one yet. And we can keep going in the battle here. So that's all pretty normal stuff. So in this demo, there are 2 tile sets. This is one of them, this kind of green grassy area. And then there's also a door, this thing, that you can find, and it'll take you to the second tile set, which is this kind of indoor area. And in this indoor area, the monsters are stronger, and they're also in teams. So let's see how we do in this battle. Yeah, it seems right, okay. Ooh. Okay. And then in the second tile set, there's this boss monster, and he is kind of the goal for the demo. The goal is just to collect monsters and build up a team that's strong enough to defeat him. And there's other monsters around to experiment with. There's a bunch of items and abilities. Let's see if we can find another ability. Oh, and this little house is like a, I don't know, heal house or something. It just heals your team. And obviously this is a demo, so there's a lot of just stupid little bugs like this thing being in the wall and stuff like that. So yeah, I think that pretty much covers everything. Yeah, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any thoughts.